This posture is called Vrikshasana. You can see on the background also. Vriksha means a tree. It is standing on a single leg with the support of another leg. Earlier people used to do this for hours and days. It is a beautiful posture for meditation. It increases the mental balance and the physical balance. This posture, the next one, is a variation by holding the knees and stretching towards the heart or the shoulders. Once again, a balancing posture. This is as you carry a baby on your lap. This is once again a beautiful balancing posture. These are variations of the Vrikshasana. Once again, Vriksha means a tree and a balancing on a single leg. This can be considered our variation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But ultimately it works on the leg which has been kept on the ground. This can be done on either side. Initially, the left foot was on the ground. Now the right foot is on the ground with Vrikshasana Prakara 1. Next is Vrikshasana Prakara 2, holding the knees towards the shoulders or the heart. Vrikshasana Prakara 3. Vrikshasana Prakar 4, Type 4, Vrikshasana Type 5 or Prakar 5. These are balancing postures which not only strengthens the legs which is on the ground, in addition it balances the brain, the chemicals in the brain, the mind, and makes the person very alert. Even 1 second of non-alertness, the person will fall down. This helps in concentration. This helps in self-confidence. This helps in a beautiful body posture. It's a beautiful asana both for exercise, strengthening and relaxation.